NG natural gas, last week I told you that it is going to give you a breakout and one can remain long, and see it has achieved $8 levels also, recovering the losses for last multiple weeks, and now close at around 7.2. So what to expect next? Can we expect it to continue in this channel, or is it going to drop from here? Which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as also you'll be missing the daily updates and targets which I share for natural gas very early in the day with the Asia session. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Now look at the daily charts here. You will find achieving the highs there, lower highs are seen, and this is the first reversal candle, almost closing at the bottom. So one thing is certain, that in between the zone, that is 7 and 7.5, we should remain cautious. Yes, you can take a short entry here at 7.1 itself, but then expect $7 to be a good support, and only below that there is going to be a further drop which we can expect, which might bring it till towards 6.5 level. So till the time it trades above 7, we have to remain cautious, and in the other words, 6.5 is going to be again a very good support. So see this, you can find out $6 very strong support, 6.5 the next support, and now $7. So it is trading in those 0.5 tiers, and then we will see first at 6.57 zone how it behaves, then 7 at 6 and 6.5 how it behaves. Any drop below 6 should be considered after a rising wedge. It is going to give you a breakout, but at the same time one must not forget that it has formed a double top, almost recovering from the bottom here, and NG is trading in this bullish channel since then. Now this is an increasingly expanding bullish channel. The support there at 6.5 is maximum there, and we need to be careful of that. Below 6.5 it will bring bearishness for NG. We need to be careful. Already it has formed the bottom there, it has formed the levels from it is where it is consolidated, and it is trying to rise, and hence probably once it trades below on 8 you can expect higher highs to get seen. In fact, it can trade past $10 levels in next few weeks and few months. So I'll wait for it to sustain above $8 levels and see how it behaves there. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you'll observe, see, one important observation is the body size is less than the complete candle size, indicates that there is a strong pullback on the downside. Hence, you need to be careful there, because we can see it failed to sustain the bullish momentum, and you can find out it is trying to trade in this channel. So a drop, retracement, any move beyond the zone at 6.5, consider this as a bearish breakout, and then it can sustain the further bearish momentum also. Hence, you need to be cautious there. At the same time, once it trades above this zone here at 7.3 rather, you can expect another bullish move which may take it to lower highs and around 7.8 and $8 levels, and it may try to peak there. So 6.5 to 7.88, you need to be cautious there. This could be the probable trading zone for next week. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, we saw after looking at a sharp drop last month, you will find that it has formed the bottom here at close to 5.2 levels, and since that higher lows, higher highs are seen, and also this is an increasingly expanding bullish triangle. For next month you should be cautious of $6, so possibly achieving $6 there could be a potential rise, and then $9 should be the next target for the month of December. Beyond that, certainly it can show you further more bullishness which might take it towards all-time highs. You need to be cautious there. Now we have seen the charts also. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, after consolidating for a while, this is given a sharp bearish candle, one single bearish candle, and if it gives you next candle also, it can successfully give you 2 or 3 red candles which might take it till towards 6.8 6.5 levels, which is going to be the next maximum support level. At the same time, one must not forget that it is trying to breach this channel on the 4-hour charts for the very first time after couple of, you can say, 1 week or so, and hence we should be little observant here. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators or the 4-hour charts. Trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, it can try to expand the width by giving you sharper moves which might bring it further down, and hence you should be little more aware here because it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. At the same time, a push from here can increase its bullishness. On the upside, you should be cautious here at around 7.6 zone, which is going to provide a little more resistance. Also, if you look at the directional movement, this is crossing over for a bearish move, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over here and since then it is trading bearish. This is divergent. This indicates that it may try to pull the price further down. We will see how it behaves. RSI trading flat there. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see this 100 period moving average, it has breached. It was trading outside the Bollinger Bands. That is why we have seen the pullback. Now you can find out the 20 and 50 period moving average are situated at around 6.5 levels, which are going to be the next max support levels. The directional movement was extremely wide and bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. The stochastic was overbought now, looking downwards on the daily charts. The MACD is also trying to converge, forming a top there. Probably we'll see if it crosses over and trades on the sell side. RSI looking downwards, indicating bearishness. And if you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts, it is trading below the 20 weeks average, taking the support from the 50 weeks average at around 6.5 levels. You should be careful of those levels on the downside. Any move below 6.5 and 6, certainly it will call for a very good drop in NG again. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic comfortable on the weekly charts. The MACD is trying to converge here. See, it has seen the highs. It is looking forward to converge crossover for the bullish move. I'll wait for it to do so. See, it has formed earlier lower top. So yes, it may try to trade in this, achieve the highs there on few weeks now, and then we'll see how it behaves there. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating bullishness. And if you look at the monthly charts, remember after a couple of bearish months, it is trying to recover a bit, and hence you should be, yes, it can give you good swings. $9 to 6.5 certainly be a good trading range for the month of December. For next month, we have to be little observant there. The directional movement divergent and bullish is stochastic looking downwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is trying to converge crossover for a sell. So far it has seen the highs. It is looking forward to crossover for a sell. The RSI is trading near to the high. So we've seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy for next week. And before I give you the complete levels, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The tools and strategies which I provide will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. This is the last batch for the year 2022 and this is the 17th batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Only couple of seats are left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You will find the home page of my channel. There is an about channel section and in that you will find my email ID and Telegram ID. Reach out to me for more details. At the same time, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. So reach out to me for more details on same. Now, NG, if you look at, you can buy here at 72.4 itself. Expect, oh, let me correct it a bit, 7.24 itself. Expect it may try to hit 7.38, 7.5 and then 7.6. The first and max resistance zone for NG is here at 7.5, 7.6 and then we will see it hitting 7.8 and 7.95, 8.02. Since till here, the next max resistance zone here is 77.8 to 8.02 level. This zone again you should be cautious of the next levels. So beyond 8.02 it is going to fly high again. We can expect it to hit 8.2, 8.5 levels and beyond that sky is the limit. As we saw, potential for it to achieve $9 levels, $10 levels cannot be denied in next few weeks, few months. At the same time, on the downside, I will only recommend you to sell here at 7.05 levels. Below that, you can expect furthermore drop, which might try to take it till towards 6.95, 6.8, and then below that, it can try to drop for 6.61 and 6.5 levels. The max support, first, you should observe that it may try to get a little more support at this zone. And then it will try to get the next support at this zone 6.5, 6.6. This is going to be a very important support. Below that directly you can expect 6.2, $6 and then below that further crash can be expected. You should be cautious as it is retracing a bit for last few weeks. A possible drop below 6 will bring up for a good crash for next few weeks and then it will try to attempt and achieve $5. Chances are less, but let's see, these are markets on the upside. You should be cautious till $8. Beyond that, certainly more bullish momentum can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Remember, closing the position at each of these targets will definitely help you increase your wealth step by step. First thing is, whenever you see your trade is in profit and it is at a distance margin, you should shift your stop loss to your entry price such that you can preserve your capital. Preserved capital is the success for profits. Any trade closed without any loss or in little profits gives you confidence to trade further, and gives you also leaves you with the good capital, or your capital which you have invested, so that you can reinvest in other trades. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.